Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
He had the duck boots, and I saw him poop. It's raining, it's pouring,
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Wet.
Yeah, we can change it. Come on, come on.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Again.
Hi again, my friend. Do you like my wet boots? Come and drink. Wanna drink something?
Rain, rain, go away. Come
Oh,
again
no.
another
I got
day.
some grass.
Little brother wants to play. Rain,
Here I come to you.
go
Uh-oh.
away.
Paddle again. Okay, slowly. You don't want to get wet. Found what? Another paddle? Mm-hmm. No.
I think it's growing because there's water here.
And the sand or a mud. Soil. They call it soil.
That's why it's growing.
Mm-hmm. Paddle, Brianna?
There's one. Go in.
You can't go in there. Let's go up. Is that a big paddle too? What happened? The rain stopped the next day.
Mommy, look! A little eggshell. Maybe a duck hatched here. Let's see a duck shell. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!